Morning guys, it is a lovely sunny Sunday morning here and I'm on my way to Mark's to just give him a bit of advice, a little bit of a hand with his son's BMW M4s. Now this thing is a phenomenal car, even standard it's just quick. It's a new word for quick, it's called BMW M4s. We may or may not have done a few things to make it go a bit faster. And we estimate it's, instead of giving out its standard sort of 500 brake horsepower, it's giving out around about 700 brake horsepower now. So this thing is really quick. And when I say quick, I am talking when you accelerate you feel your organs moving, it's that quick. The problem with this poor BMW is this thing. It's the coil pack that goes on the spark plugs. If you look, this top bit here is warped in the heat of the car and it doesn't go down properly, so it's not clicking in and holding the wire in. So with a new set of these things, it should run nicely now. Something tells me Mark might be looking forward to something this afternoon. What are you looking forward to this afternoon, Mark?
Fucking England smashing Croatia.
So we're both in a bit of a football happy mood today. At the moment, anyway.
What am I doing here? It's a short one.
Now it's time to test. That sounds better, doesn't it? That is a beautiful sound. Absolutely beautiful sound. Hey, Mark, does this mean we have to take it for a test drive? To make sure it's all running right. So here we go on the test drive.
No misfire on that at all now.
We're going to have one very happy James. Yeah, that's quick. Bloody quick.
That was half throttle.
Really?
Yeah.
That was half throttle and we just went instantly up to, what was that? About 100 mile an hour. Okay, we didn't actually do 100 mile an hour. No, we don't speed here.
Mate, that was fucking crazy.
Mark, we didn't speed, did we?
I didn't expect that.
No.
Jesus.
That was quick. That was half throttle and we just shot up.
I only wanted it to get up to the higher rev so that because it was misfiring at a higher rev, so that's all good.
As I said earlier, we may or may not have made it go a little bit faster. Isn't that right, Mark?
Yep.
Loads of fun.
I don't know why he wants it faster. Jesus Christ.
Well, he wants to beat that Lamborghini Huracan, didn't he?
He did beat the Lamborghini Huracan.
Yeah, he wiped the floor with a Lamborghini
Which is
Huracan.
ridiculous.
Yeah. but fun.